budded green and red cabbage with orange carrots. We're going to add some sliced up cucumbers, as well as some sliced grape tomatoes. We're also going to add some sliced up green onions. And what would a salad be without some feta, some crumb feta cheese? So I'm going to add some crumb feta cheese. We're going to add 1 large egg to the salad. Now you can leave it like this, but I'm going to add for meats this white chunky chicken, garlic, and herb, which is 80 calories per pouch. Now I'm going to flavor it with Brooke's Justice Mix all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to add some jalapenos, some banana peppers, 1/4 of a medium avocado. Now, I love to add craisins to my salad. It just gives me, I just enjoy it. And the salad dressing of choosing that I'm enjoying is Trader Joe's Green Goddess dressing. It has 20 calories per 2 tablespoons. Listen to that crunch. Amazing.